Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you an SHS graduate that just completed? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be taking my time to guide you on how the educational system works before you wait for a result and apply to any of the 10 institutions in the country, or you want to apply for an awaiting result. This video will guide you on how you are supposed to do it in an appropriate way so that you can easily gain admission to any of the tertiary institutions in your country. So you better know how things are going to be, especially those of you who have or who know that with your result there are going to be some lapses somewhere, which means that you not perform too well in the result. So you have to be seeking for an alternative option. I would entreat you to watch this video to the end, as most of the information in this video are going to be much more helpful to you to make the best decision so that you do not regret applying to school or was checking your result or doing anything afterwards. My name is Desmond. You can call me Don Holy. I'm an educational coach. I guide students to apply to any of the institutions in the country. I do birth certificate, I check results, I help students to apply to any institution. More especially, I guide them to understand each of every program that they want to apply to before they go and pursue, so that they won't complete on what regret of what not getting job or making a wrong decision. Okay, that is what I'm here for. So my number displaying right on your screen. Pick it up and contact me. If you want to buy an awaiting form, I'm here for you. I'll do everything for you. If you want to check your result and everything, I'm here for you. And those of you who want to attend next training college, which means you'll be applying next academic year, which is next year, feel free and join my WhatsApp group. There's a group that I'll add you to, so you pick up my number and join the group. Even if you're not interested in buying anything from me, you have a whole lot to learn. It's a whole session where I take my time. I teach you everything that you need to know about the tertiary institution, how you can prepare, the programs you're supposed to select, the best way to select the programs before you wait or before you pick up any form to go and pursue any of the careers in the tertiary institution. So you better understand this. This is not a scam, okay? Pick up my number displayed on your screen, contact me and tell me, just give me your name and tell me you want to join my WhatsApp group. I'll personally add it to the WhatsApp group, and you have a whole lot to learn. This year I had over 1,700 students that I've guided. More than 300 of them have gained admission to the next training college in the country, and we are waiting for the public universities, some of the technical universities, and the teacher training. But technical universities, I have about 50 of them that have gained admission already. We are waiting for the remaining ones to gain admission. So feel free, pick up my number displayed on your screen and contact me. Now, a lot of you have completed school waiting for your result, and some of you are applying for an awaiting result. Now, if you are going to apply for an awaiting result, there are some key things that you need to have in mind. Okay, one, you should consider the strength or the things that you've written during the exams. Are the results going to be good enough? You should give yourself an estimated grade. If you are going to give yourself an estimated grade of 10, then there are some schools that you can apply to and easily gain admission. One of them is KNUST, depending on the program you pick. If you know you are getting 10, please do not go and pick laboratory technician, pharmacy, medicine, and those of the high grade programs. If you pick them, you may get disappointed. And then you can apply to UG, you can apply to most tertiary institutions in the country. A lot of you are asking whether we have an awaiting form for nursing training college. No, we don't have an awaiting form for nursing training college. So if you complete and want to go to the nursing training college, then you have to wait till next year and apply for an admission. Then you get and go to school. Because of the interviews, the academic calendar is kind of different from other institutions. Okay, it's kind of different from other institutions. So you have to stay home for an extra 1 year before you can have the spot of attending nursing training college. If you want to go to the teacher training college, their forms are still on sale. They have an awaiting intake, so their forms are still on sale. So you can buy the form now, or you wait when the result is out, then you can buy them and apply to any of the 46 teacher training colleges in the country. Now, when are school going to reopen? If you apply for the tertiary institution, school is going to reopen in January. Okay, so admission is going to come out in December, and then your WASI result is going to come out late November. So you have maximum of 1 week or 2 weeks depending on the school to do your application before you go to the institution. You can still buy forms as well and are waiting. Now have it in mind, those of you who applied to UCs, those who have completed before years before last year, last 2 years, or last 3 years, or years after that you've completed, now they are going to school on 18th of November. So you would come on the second batch. Okay, some schools have 2 batches of admission. This is a typical example, and this year they are enrolling their first year candidates or freshers on 18th November 2023. And then those of you who have applied as an awaiting result, do not have it in mind. I would not be thinking that you would not be able to go to school this year. You will join this academic year, which is for 2023-2024 academic year, but yours will come in December, which means you start school in what? January 2024. So do not panic. Admission is coming out say December, and then all of you go to school in what? January. That's for the universities and then the teacher training colleges. Some of the technical universities have given admission as well, so their students have already started school on 2nd October 2023. But then their waiting intake is going to go to school in what? January 2024. Now let me talk about this important point, which is one of the things that a lot of what senior high school graduates are demanding for. I had a lot of messages in my DM that I want a result upgrade, I want a result upgrade, I want a result upgrade. Please, result upgrade is fake. There's a right way you can do it. A result will be upgraded for you well, but then listen to me and understand these things very very well before you take up the bold step that you are going to upgrade your result. If not, you would get disappointed. I said if not, you would get disappointed. Now, most of these people you meet online that tells you that I can upgrade your results for you at this amount, so you pay this amount of money and upgrade. So usually they charge around 1,500. If you pay 1,500, they can upgrade your results for you and all that. Please, all of them are fake. This is what they do. They Photoshop your result and give it to you, or they code the result, which is a template down. So they just take your details. You want, let's say, chemistry. You want A1. You had this I want A1. They tell you want A1. You pay 200 cedis or pay 300 cedis. You pay. Inter science. You want this grade. Commerce. You want this grade. You tell them and you give them the amount and they do it for you. And they'll deceive you that it will reflect what 12 o'clock midnight before it will reflect. It will never reflect. If you use that old result to apply to any school, they would what? Some of the schools would even admit you. So you go to the school, the schooling, when you get to level 300, level 400, when you do your validation for them to what? Prepare a certificate and all of that for you to complete school. That is when you get dismissed in the school. So you could see result upgrade is very, very dangerous. Result upgrade is very, very dangerous. I'll create a different video where I'll explain into details how result upgrade works. How these people get to scam some of you that are too desperate that you want to upgrade your result, you want to upgrade your result. How they get to scam. I'll create a video and teach you that. Now let me talk about how genuinely you can do it before result can be upgraded. Okay, so before your result can be upgraded genuinely, you need to have someone that works at the WAEC office. Okay, especially those who do the imputation of the result and analysis and all of that. If you have a strong link, please, I do not have one, so if you contact me, do not tell me you want to upgrade your results. I don't do result upgrade. Okay, so if you have a strong link at the WAEC office that they can upgrade the results for you, you tell them and they do tracing. Okay, so you pay them some amount of money and then they trace the result for you and upgrade it even before they release the result, or a week or two after they release the result. That in that case you can have the result upgraded. But then if you don't have anyone at the WAEC office and you meet these online people, they keep on deceiving you that I can upgrade your result for you at this amount, I can upgrade the result for you and follow everything and pay. Please, you are at your own risk. Result upgrade to me is fake, because even getting those WAEC officials to do it for you, tell me, it's very very hectic and there is no way you're going to do it. So if you ask me, I would rather advise you to rewrite. If you need a school that you can rewrite and get good grades, good grades, you just DM me. I'll link you up to the school. When you check your result and all of that is not good, I check result as well, so you feel free, pick up my number and join my WhatsApp group. Okay, pick up my number and join my WhatsApp group, so that when the results are out, you can buy the result checker from me. You can check the result. I can check the result for you as well, so you better understand. I personally take my time and teach you things that you need to know very very well before you go into the tertiary institution. Okay, so you don't have anything to worry about at all. You don't have anything to worry about. Once you're in my DM, trust me, everything you demand for will be sorted out for you successfully. Now, those of you who have bought and are waiting for when you are going to school, by this time you need to start doing your preparations. Okay, you need to start doing your preparations. You need to start buying your stuffs and all of that. You need a lot of things. You need to start working and getting some money down. I'll create a different video where I'll explain things much more into details for you. But then, please, I'm pleading with you. Result upgrade is fake. Result upgrade is fake. do not fall a victim for it. If you do, you are at your own risk. If you want to buy any of the awaiting forms or you want to apply to any of the tertiary institutions as an awaiting student, please feel free, pick up my number displayed on your screen and contact me, and I will help you out. Okay, so you better understand things very well before you move into the tertiary institutions and go and pursue your dream career of becoming any of the professionals you want to become in the future. My name is Desmond. If you, in case you find this video helpful, please do me the honor, subscribe to the channel, tell us notification bell to get notified anytime I release a new video. Until then, I'll see you in the next episode. Peace. I'm out.